Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone enjoyed Christmas Day with their family. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make basic, beginners friendly, tasty and colorful cupcakes. This is the easiest cupcake recipe you found on YouTube, but it is also one of the tastiest, and it is so easy and fun to make. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video and I shall see you next time. For this recipe, you need 110 grams self-raising flour, you need 2 large eggs, you need 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, you need 110 grams of caster sugar, and 110 grams of softened butter. And you need some cupcake cases. You need about 12 cupcake cases and a cupcake tray. Okay, so this is all you need. You also need a cupcake nozzle and a piping bag if you have. If you don't have it, you can always use a spoon to scoop it. So let's get started. In your mixing bowl, add 110 grams of softened butter and add 110 grams of caster sugar, or any sugar that you have. You can use granulated sugar. And then beat it until it becomes white and fluffy, either with an electric whisk or a stand mixer. Next, add in the eggs, but make sure you add it one at a time. So when you add it, and then you add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and you whisk it for about 2 minutes, okay, until it is well incorporated. And then you can add the second egg and do exactly the same thing. And then it will be time to add in the flour. So add in 110 grams of self-raising flour, beat it until well incorporated, and then your cupcake batter is ready. Now you can just use a spoon and scoop it, or do it like me by using a piping bag and a nozzle. If you're doing this method like me, do not forget to push in the batter into the bottom of the nozzle and piping bag, okay, and make sure you hold it very well. So this is one of the methods, but it works perfectly well with a spoon. So once you do it, you can scoop it into the cupcake cases. You can go up until the middle of the case, okay? Do not scoop too much. And this is it. Our cupcake batter is ready. And now preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake the cupcakes for about 15 minutes. That's it. Not more, not less. And this is how it should look like. You can also insert a skewer and see if it comes out clean. If it comes out clean, it means your cupcake is baked. Look at this. This is perfectly baked cupcake, and I can guarantee you that it smells so good. Now let the cupcake cool completely. For the buttercream or icing, you need 300 grams of icing sugar. You need 150 grams of softened butter. You can use some food coloring. This is the yellow one. You need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you can also use red food coloring or even skip it. And you need about 3 tablespoons of milk. So let's get started. In your mixing bowl, add 150 grams of softened butter and whisk it until it becomes very, very soft. Next, you can add in the icing sugar, but don't add it at once. That's my tip I'm giving you. I first add half of it and then I whisk it, and then I'll add the second half of my sugar to make sure I do not mess it up. Okay, so mix it for about 3 minutes. Start from the lowest level, okay, and then when it starts forming, you can add your 3 tablespoons of milk and whisk it again for a few minutes. And then your icing is ready when it gets this color and it is nice and firm. So now this is optional, but if you want to add food coloring to it, this is the right time to do it. I have decided to add a bright yellow color to it. So just add a few drops and stir it. This is all you have to do. It depends on how yellow you want it. Okay, I like it very bright yellow, so I added more color to it. And then again, you can use a piping bag and a nozzle. You can choose whatever nozzle you like. Okay, so again, make sure you push it down to the nozzle and make a little test and see if it comes out like this. Okay, so this time I use the star nozzle, but I have got so many, but this is the one I wanted to show you. And that's it. You can start decorating your cupcake. You know, I'm not a big cupcake maker. I don't do it as often as I should because my kids love it, but I really enjoy doing it. So I think I should get more practice. And then I also decided to make a basic one, a white one, and that's it. Now you know how to make basic cupcakes. Okay, friends. Voila! So this was my festive, easy, beginners friendly vanilla cupcakes recipe. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video because I really did enjoy making them, because it is very fun. And you know, before I didn't know it was that easy. But now I enjoy making cupcakes, and as I said, I should do it more often. It is fun to do it with your kids if you've got any, or for yourself, or with your mom or a best friend. It is nice when you're receiving some friends. It is also good for Christmas or for the New Year if you want to do something. As you can see here, I have got many different styles of cupcakes. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you are going to give me a thumbs up and also going to give me a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay blessed.